What do you think you need the most help with for like these
I'm not sure. I think it's mainly like the second panel on the first page. 'Cause I don't know how to
mhm.
indicate that someone's like calling out when it's like a silent panel. Well, it's when it's a
Ooh,
silent manga.
yeah. I suppose one thing you can do, okay, instead of having this kind of effect, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, have hmm, let's see here. All right, let's make a copy of this real quick. I'd actually suggest, okay, putting this panel first. All right, and then let's move this here. All right. So we see them looking at the camera first. All right,
Mm-hmm.
there we go. And then, right, you can make it so that this panel, um, here, do some separate layer, right? This can be like a bit more of a close-up of their face. Or actually, you can make them look towards the left side here. All right,
Mm-hmm.
there we go. Here, right? And then you can do like a silhouette of the person like coming up to them, right?
Uh-huh. Okay.
There we go. Yeah. So it still gets the same point across, right? But
Yeah.
then you no longer run into the issue of like, oh, I need to show someone like yelling, right?
All right.
So yeah, flipping them and then doing something like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, might help quite a bit. Okay. So this person here, right?
Mm-hmm.
It the main character or
Yeah.
oh,
Well,
this is the main character.
technically they're both the main characters, but
Yes. Uh-huh.
yeah.
But I suppose the protagonist first. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you get what I mean, right? So I
Yeah.
think
Yeah.
probably if you add like quite a bit of or just indicate their hair, right? It would
Yeah.
be a
Yeah.
lot
Yeah.
more clear.
Yeah,
Because
this is
at
just a
first I
rough
did think,
sketch.
yeah, I did think
Sorry.
it was them. But yeah, not completely understandable as well. All right. So yes, okay. So we go here. All right, we go up, down, left. I think this flows like pretty well. There's not too many issues here, especially since this panel here is kind of open, right? It
Mm.
gives a lot more breathing room. So yeah, it's a very nice touch, right?
Yeah,
So here,
I was trying to have them like
mhm,
both holding the
yeah.
photograph, but that was really complicated because I was just like checking my hand, like how
Yeah.
does one hold one of these old
Yes.
paper photographs?
And also, it's a bit
Um,
awkward. Typically,
yeah,
in real life, you wouldn't have two people holding the same thing, right?
yeah,
Typically, one person will be holding, the other will be looking. Okay,
yeah.
so yeah, this is like really good to like start with. Okay, now here, I actually have a suggestion. All right, to imply that this is sort of like a time lapse going on, right? I suggest you do
Hmm.
something like this, right? There we go, right? And then you can
I mean, like
extend this.
this
Mhm.
panel is more so like her grabbing her like to transition uh from the
Ah, I
sixth
see.
panel.
I
So
see.
like she's she likes the
Mhm.
photo and then she grabs her and then like the transition happens by the second, third, fourth, and fifth panel.
Got it, got it. If that's the case, I think the same principle still applies. All right, you just flip these, okay? And then there we go, right? You can
Oh,
tell, all
okay.
right, they are transitioning into a bit of like a time lapse, okay? So yeah, same thing. Just flip it, basically. All right. And yeah, I think this is actually like a pretty creative like usage of it because, yeah, they're moving in the direction of the
Hmm.
time skip, I suppose, right? So yeah, I think that's really good. Okay, you have the karaoke here, abandoned building. Yeah, no really issues for me here. And then the beach. There we go.
If you've wanted to make your own manga for years and still have nothing to show, then click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com and apply for your free manga roadmap call. We'll look at where you're at right now, pinpoint what's holding you back, and map out a clear 60 to 90-day plan toward a contest ready one shot. If it's a fit, we'll show you how to work directly with pro Japanese mangakas and a pro manga editor. Stop dreaming about your manga and start making it. Apply for your free manga roadmap call by clicking the link in the description or going to learntodrawmanga.com.